soul, with a corncob pipe and a button nose and two eyes made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman was a very happy say. He was born this year and darling know how he came to life one day. Hello, my beautiful people. It is Sherry Moulton back with another video. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Kind of this, it's on my line of stuff, but it's a little different today. I'm going to show you how to make a snowman Christmas village out of some stuff. So I always had a Christmas village, like, I mean, a lot. I would always buy, my husband's grandfather bought me the very first one. It was a nice expensive, it was like a church, and I went on from that. So every year I would put up this village and I would add stuff to it. My husband bought me this gorgeous set from Costco one year. It had like a florist shop, and in the back it was like a terrarium. Oh my goodness, it's like the a terrarium almost, and through the glass you could see all the poinsettias inside. Adorable. But it just kept growing and growing, and I haven't put it out, I'm ashamed to say, in probably 20 years. Under my stairs, like, I mean thousands of dollars worth of stuff, just because it just accumulated over years. It wasn't bought all at once. So I have all these amazing little figurines and all kinds of stuff. And I was so disappointed because I really wanted to have this village out, but had nowhere to really put it. So I come up with this idea. So I've got it all out. It's all spread on my table. I'm just gonna bring you right on down and we're gonna take a look at it. Hopefully you're in focus and all that fun stuff. So we are gonna make a snowman out of these plain glass bowls that I purchased, and I've had these for such a long time. Pretty sure they've been from the dollar store because I would not have spent a lot of money. And I know this one personally is from the dollar store because I rebought one thinking so these are from the dollar store. So I've washed them all and I've taken the stickers off, and I was so upset because my daughter and I were looking for different things at Value Village, and that's when I bought that mirror for my tree I did, and I found this and I went, oh my goodness, it's got the little pedestal, little legs. I thought that would be adorable to put the snowman in. Well, this guy fits, but then I don't have a little head. So it was like, oh, I can't put that there, and I could put that there, but then this one is a little bigger than that one. So I was like, no, actually, you know what? That doesn't look bad. I might try that. And then I have a hat. I could not find a hat. So I've had this one. It was on one of my headbands. Took it off, and I used to use that as the hat. But I was at Michael's. I found this cute little one, but it's just a little teensy. Let me get you in here. A little teensy to fit on top of here. So what I've got here is just it is foam board, but it's sticker. So I've cut two pieces, stuck them together, and then now I'm gonna glue it to here. So I got my glue gun on. We're gonna start with that. I'm just gonna glue all of this here, and we're gonna glue this beautiful hat on here. Try and center it. There we go. Just enough of a little bit of a rim that it makes it a little bigger. And I just love all of that little stuff. I could have made one, yes. It's, you know, the ability is there, but I just wanted something quick and easy. And actually, I don't know, I'm debating, guys. This is how I usually had it. Here, let me take this off and you can see a little better. This is how I usually had it. So you had quite the variance, and it looked like a snowman. I don't know. Now that I've got that sitting there, I just love the legs on this. So it's up to you. You go do whatever you want to do. Go find some bowls, and we're going to get into it. So I have, like I said, all of these things, I'm going to unplug my glue gun now so I don't accidentally burn myself. So I pulled out all my little things. Oh, that's broken. From my villages. I've got these people with trees. I went and bought myself, oh, that's why, look at that's hilarious. I went and bought a snowmobile. I was going to say snowplow. I have these little topiaries, like it's endless. And the dollar store sells a lot of these things. I have the really pretty snow with glitter. This was what I used to put in my village. And I also have this. So this is called shredded snow. It's more dense. So I thought I would put it in the bottom because I don't glue any of these down. These just sit, and I put them in my hutch every year and I don't touch it. So I just put it up, pull it out, put it up, pull it out. And I thought this year I'd take it apart. I needed to wash all of my little dishes because they were a little bit dirty. And so that's what made me think I would show you how to do it. So I'm going to pull out all my little things that I have. I have, of course, the little red truck. I have, of course, that's what I had in it. I put that in there. I have all these little trees. Again, you can buy these all at the dollar store. I have a little moose. And I had them separated. So this must have been on the bottom. And then I have, of course, all these trees. I have kids making snowman, kids on a sled. I have some Dalmatians. And like this was a whole, the center one was kind of a family thing, and another sled, kid going on the sled. I just want to make sure I got all of them from that section. So I divided them into the which, there we go. And the last one, so we can mix these all up. Like I had more or less them in a certain area. And then isn't that adorable? I think I got that one at the dollar store. It's got the little cardinals on it. That's cute. I have a sled that went with all the kids. Oh, that's hilarious. I forgot I had that. Some cats in the garbage. And just some more little people. Some kids. Christmas tree. Look at this. This is so adorable. With the lights on it. And then another couple. So what I did, I'm going to put, see, I filled it up with all of this, but I think I may, because I want to put the car, I found it kept sinking. So this is the heavy stuff. It's quite dense. It's just basically like foam is where that is glittered. So I'm going to put this in the bottom. We'll do one at a time. I'll get that out of the road. I'm going to put this in the bottom because my car kept sinking in it. So I'm going to put a little bit of this in each one, and then we can give or take some out, and we can add that glitter, this beautiful stuff on top. I feel so bad. I'm going to put this out of my road so I don't accidentally put stuff in it. All right, so let's see. We got our little red truck. We have, you know what? My glue gun's out. I'm going to glue my tree in the truck. That we're going to start off right now. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. It kept falling out on me. So let's go in here and we're gonna push that down and hold it. Isn't that adorable? I looked everywhere for a red truck one year, so it's kind of funny. All right, perfect. And then we're gonna fluff it up where I pressed it down. Perfect. So let's get, so I have a truck. Actually, let's do the truck going up the hill instead of down, like that. You can take some of this out actually. There's more in there than I need. Because you want to see it, right? You don't want it to all blend in. And then we had a moose in there. And what else did I have in there? Put a couple more trees in this one. And yeah, I think we'll leave it at that. Maybe we'll put a little one here. There. I don't know if you can see that or not. And I keep it so that when you look at it, I want to make sure that you can see it. Perfect. Now I'm going to come in with this one and spread some of this pretty stuff on top so it's glittery. You know, you got to have that little glittery stuff, my friends. Perfect. Let me just shake the car off a little. I don't want it all over the truck. I want to be able to see the truck. Yeah, perfect. And I may have to go grab some more stuff. So the next one, we'll set this one aside. We've got the bigger, the middle-sized one. And we're going to put in the Christmas tree that's lit up. We're going to put in some family in there, the dogs, and I broke something off of here and I don't see it in my stuff, so we won't put that in there. Maybe we'll put these guys in with this, in with the car. So they're all getting trees. I think that looks cute. And then it's just fun. You gotta play. Put that tree in there. We're gonna put the kids tobogganing. Oh no, we're gonna take this out. We're gonna put the, see, change your mind all the time. Sherry changes her mind constantly. We're gonna put that guy in here. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. So that's the second layer. We'll put that together like that. And then this one, oh, maybe we're going to take the dogs out of here. We're going to put the little kid in here making a snowman. I think that's cute. And then we're going to sprinkle some more of our little glittery snow. I think that's cute. And then we're going to add the third one. And we will do the kids sleighing. I'm wondering if I should mix, this tree is hitting here. Let me see if I can bend the foot a little bit and see if that'll help. Nope, it's still gonna bend. All right, we're gonna swap. I just wanted the tree with the lights with the kids. Let me see if we can get a smaller one in there. And we will take these lights off because they come off. I just put them in there. Isn't that cute? And they'll go on the smaller tree. We'll start at the top. Lots of trees. Whoops, lots of lights. There, easy peasy. Oh, if only putting the tree lights on were that easy. There. That's better. Now we'll put, and he's still leaning. Let me put some of this behind it here. There. Now he's standing up. Just want to make sure you can see everybody. Perfect. There, now it's not touching. So this one, the kids are going to be on the toboggan. So we're going to make kind of like a hill. Let's put the snow in first. We'll put some of this on the bottom. Just to hide the bottom. And then we're going to put a toboggan in here. We're going to put the little kids on there. I know the scale isn't the same, but it is what it is. It's all in fun. And this little guy. And then we can put a couple of trees in here. Little kid down here. And perfect. I think I'm gonna see, I keep looking at what I have here. I think I might add these in this one. Maybe not. Add the dogs. There, the dogs will be in there. Okay. Put this back on. And we'll stand this guy up. And again, you could glue these all in there. You could put foam, spray paint it white, and then you can even glue all these guys on the foam and then sprinkle the snow. Yeah, perfect. I may add a little more of this in here on this side. I may take some of this out of the front so you can see it a little better. Easy peasy, and then we add our snowman on the top, our hat. Now, these I had kicking in my drawer, so I don't know if I had all of these in there from last year, but that is my snowman. Little guy. I think he's cute. So what I'm going to do, I'll set him behind me here, and I'll give you guys a close-up. I'll be right back, guys. Well, there you go, my friends. I think he turned out adorable. Love it. You can make your own little scenes. I think it's cute. It's actually quite inexpensive. And I think it's adorable. And then to make it a little bit of a more village, you can do something like that around the table that you're going to put it on. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's not like my normal videos, but I thought you might enjoy it. So with that being said, I hope you have an amazing day. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, please think about subscribing and becoming part of my YouTube family. And with that, I really don't know what to link in the description box. So it's just kind of dollar store things. Just take a look around. You know, secondhand stuff. Yeah, so with that, as always, I have my sponsors are all linked in my description box. And this is a short and sweet one today, my friends. I hope you have an amazing day. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.